Hey moms, in this video we will talk about how parents can help a shy child. If you want to learn new ideas, then you are in the right place. So stay till the end. The first thing that we parents can do if we have a shy child is to prepare the child for the new situation that he might have to face. Shyness appears the most of the time when we are facing new situations, right? Well, that is no different for children. So children with shyness and low self-esteem, they don't like to be surprised. They don't like changes. So it's better to prepare the child before. Let him know what are the plans, what is that he's going to be doing there, what he has to do there, and so on. Another thing is to encourage the child to express his emotions, to express his feelings. If he doesn't know to do that, then it's time to teach by asking questions. But avoid to ask the question which we use the most of the time is, why do you feel like this? Instead, ask, what is that makes you feel like this? Another thing is that you can use puppets, cars, trains, whatever the child likes, and pretend that that puppet, car, train is in the same situation that your child it is, and ask the child, what is that we can help Thomas, the train, right, to feel better? Is there something that we can do? Or you can ask him to write on a piece of paper what are his feelings, why he's nervous of by doing some things, why if he feels afraid by doing something. So write or draw. Another idea. Another good idea is to invite one colleague from his school, just one, for play date. This will help the child to practice skills and deepen friendships. Having just one friend for a shy child, it is great. Another thing is that every time when interacting with the shy child is to interact with understanding and not concern. Like, why is that you are so shy? Repeatedly asking this question, there are chances that the child will start thinking, is there something wrong with me? Why I'm not like the other kids? So this is not a good idea. Work with children rather than against children that are shy. So help children to learn simple tools through role play. For instance, teach to make eye contact, teach to have a clear voice when they are speaking, teach to have a friendly smile when they are speaking, ask questions, what, how, give compliments. These are very easy tools but very useful to teach your child by role playing home, which the child feels comfortable. Another thing is to teach children how to interact with other children. If they go to the park, for example, he's going to the park and he doesn't know the other kids. So prepare before you go to the park by giving him step by step. For example, so we go there, we watch what kids are playing. Um, then if you want to go and interact with other kids, you go there, but you don't interrupt the children what they are playing. You don't go there with a new idea, let's play another game. You just go there and ask, can I join in? Another thing is that we have to prepare children for rejection. For example, those children don't want to play with him or they don't interact very well with him. Then the child has to be prepared, okay, what I'm doing, because they don't want to play with me. No problem. Let's look around for other children that we can play. Another good idea is to teach child how to interact if he has to go to a party or the park as well, and he sees a child and he wants to go and speak to that child, to ask questions. So teach him 3 or 4 questions that he can use to start a conversation with another child. Teach like questions like, what cartoon do you like, what is your favorite sport, what is your favorite toy, what is your favorite game. This even 3 or 4, as I said, it will help the child to feel more confident, because he has an idea what to say. Shy children are afraid of asking questions, actually, because they don't know what questions to ask. These are my ideas on how to help a shy child. If you like this video, then press the like button. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.